Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell Ticketmaster tickets on SeatGeek. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to sell Ticketmaster tickets on SeatGeek, what you need to know is this works only if your Ticketmaster tickets are transferable or mobile tickets. So this first step is to check if your Ticketmaster tickets are transferable. To do it, simply open up the Ticketmaster application or simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in Ticketmaster.com and simply log into your account. Then once that's done, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon and then select My Tickets. Then open the event and look for the transfer option, not just sell. Transfer is available, you can sell it on SeatGeek. If it says non-transferable, you cannot resell on SeatGeek. The next step is to log into the SeatGeek application. So simply head over and open up the SeatGeek application or open up SeatGeek.com on your browser. Then sign in or create an account if you don't have one. The next step is to list the tickets on SeatGeek. Simply tap on the tickets and then select the Ticketmaster ticket. Then select Sell Tickets. Now enter the ticket details like section, row, seat numbers, quantity, and then set your price. Then enter your payout method from bank or PayPal. Then once that's done, review all the details and publish the listing. Your tickets are now live on SeatGeek, and next step is to deliver tickets after they resale. When your tickets sell, SeatGeek emails you buy details. Go back to the Ticketmaster and then simply tap on the profile icon once again and select My Tickets and then select Transfer. Enter the buyer's email from SeatGeek and then complete the transfer, and buyer receives tickets directly from Ticketmaster. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.